Hello, Professor Hamid, and hello, everyone. I will introduce my MIS4550 final project report. As you know, this is a study about Dota 2. Dota 2 is an online multiplayer video game. It is played by two teams called the Radiant and the Dire. Uh, each arc consists of 5 players. The main goal of the game is to destroy other team's ancient, which is located at the opposite corner of the map. Each of the players will choose one hero to play with, and the hero is chosen from a pool of 18 heroes in the drafting stage. And why I will choose this game? It is because that the Valve Corporation, the owner and the developer of Dota 2, they are developed many in-game predictions. In a large patch released in 2018, Dota Plus was officially launched. This is a feature. There's a feature in Dota Plus called win rate prediction. It will give you a real-time win rate when you are watching an open game. Furthermore, Valve cooperated with OpenAI. OpenAI is a research laboratory based in San Francisco. In April 2019, the OpenAI 5 became the first AI to beat the Dota 2 World Champion, Team OG. And also, in their public tests, the OpenAI 5 defeats the top 99.995 percentile Dota 2 players. So I am a I as a Dota 2 player, I know this news and knowledge, so I'm very interested in focus in predicting the win rate in Dota 2 game. And um, I viewed some previous research and let's look at and I find my data set in Kaggle. Uh, let's take a look at the data set. Um, well, this is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 datas. This data is you can see freeze and Matu, maybe mid one, moon, no one. These are professional mid lane players, and the cargo uploader choose this data from Open Data, which is a Dota 2 game uh, data source. And the test data is a combination and sampling from this mid lane players data. And let's take a look at it. I will use OS and CSV package to load to load the data, and there are many columns. You can see like match ID, account ID. These are useless. GPM, uh, GPM, and like kills, first blood, denies, death, assists. These are the gameplay and performance data in one game. And next is our data cleaning and preparation. I also use like OS and CSV package and also NumPy and SciPy sets. Uh, in this in this field, we choose some like useless data like match ID, account ID, name, and ROM. These are useless, and the threshold is zero point 0.3. We split them into training data and test data, and the threshold is zero point 0.3. And this is our process to split the data into training data and test data. Uh, and after that, we use the Spearman correlation to test these columns and the relationship between these columns and the win rate. You can see from the result that there are many, like death is the times you you are killed by your enemy. This is apparently a minus correlation, and this is like assist, denies, first blood, GPM. These are positive correlations, and I think the largest is like KPM, and tower damage is really important because our target is to eliminate the enemy's tower. And the most important is KDA. KDA, it means kill, death, assist. It's a ratio between kill, death, and assist. And there are also some like least correlation like APM. Like APM is a action per minute. It is almost useless. Mm. And then we use the perceptron to predict the relation between our user field and outcome. And we will choose from the results in our like the analysis and the correlation part. Our user field is kill, stats, assist, tower damage, kill by tower, tower kill, KDA, hero kill, GPM, KPM, and XPM. Uh, Here's our code. Uh, First, we initializing and pre-processing, and we use like um, we use iterations. Um, let's take a look at the result. We can see that the iteration, the accuracy is about zero point 0.3 and zero point 0.1. I think that's a fair result. It's a moderate result. And we can draw a graph. We import matplotlib pyplot, and we use this to draw a graph to show our result, to show our accurate result. The result is from the data here, and we can see that our train accuracy and test accuracy is is high after 500 or 7500. Uh, Finally, we will give some our suggestions, like um, I think our model have over 80% accuracy, and we can use our features, which is here to predict the win rate in an open match. Our analysis provides sufficient evidence for the fact that the performance of mid laner has great influence on the outcome of the game. As a result, a team should give sufficient considerations to the performance of a mid lane when recruiting players. That is very close to the real life, the Dota 2 real things, because the in a team, a mid lane player is almost the most important player in a team, and their values is the highest in a team. So this is my final project. Thank you for listening.